Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to skip Linkvertise 60 minutes wait time in 2026. Step 1. Open the link directly in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Make sure you're not opening it inside another app or an embedded browser. Step 2. Clear your browser cache in Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, choose cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Step 3. Refresh the Linkvertise page, scroll down, and click on Get Link. Next, tap I'm interested and complete the quick verification step. This usually takes less than 30 seconds. For example, you might be asked to install and open Opera GX. Once done, you'll instantly receive your link with no unnecessary waiting. Bonus tip: stay away from bypass tools or browser extensions. Most of them are scams or contain malware. This is the fastest, safest, and fully working method in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.